Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm here to show you one Excel tricks. So let's get started. So I'm here in my laptop, so you can see here the names, and all the names are not in proper condition. So you can see here it's all in capital letter and it's in capital letter and small letter. It is not in proper way, so we are going to make in proper way. So for that, as per our choice, we can do this. So first of all, we are going to put in this column, as we will write here equal to lower, and we will select this one, and then which text we are like to do, and this close this from this parenthesis and click enter. You can see all the letters are being converted into small letter. So you can see here and drag this, you can see all has been converted into small letter. So this is one case, and next condition is equal to and right here upper, and then select the text and then close from this parenthesis and then enter. You can see all are converted into capital letter. Drag from there, and then you can see here is all small letter and here is all capital letter. But in last condition, if you want to make in proper condition, so go equal to proper and then select the text. Our text is this, and then close this parenthesis. Now you can see all the format are this proper is the best format. So you can see here and drop down here, you can see all the forms are converted into better condition. So you can see this is our best formatting, and this is the right format of the words. So in this way you can choose as per your choice and make the data clear. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and thank you for watching this video.